Hello and welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. Are you ready to play a game? We have to identify the beginning sound of a word. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first word is snowman. Snowman. Say it slow. Snowman. And try to listen to the beginning sound or the first sound of the word. Snowman. Snowman. What do you hear? Snowman. Did you say S? Yes, that is right. Well done. Santa Claus. What is the first sound of Santa? Santa Claus. Santa. Santa. What do you hear? Santa. Santa. The first sound. Santa. Yes, it is. Good job. Christmas tree. The word is tree. Tree. What is the first sound in tree? Tree. T, t, tree. T, t, tree. T is the first sound in tree. Very good. Bell. 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 B. Focus. Bell. Say the word bell. Bell. B. 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 That is the first sound. Beginning sound of bell. Ornaments. 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 Say it loud. Ornaments. Ornaments. Yes, you are right. Star. 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 This is a pre-spelling game. To be able to spell nicely, we need to practice this game. Star. Say it again. Star. What is the first sound? S. 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 Very good. Holly. 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 You are playing so well. Hat. Hat. What is the first sound in hat? Hat. Hat. Yes, very good. Candy cane. Candy cane. Candy cane. Candy cane. What is the first sound? Candy cane. K, k, k. Right. Snowflake. 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 Snow. Yes, that is right. Well done. Sleigh. Sleigh. What is the first sound in sleigh? I can hear you. Say it loudly. Sleigh. Say it loudly. Sleigh. Very good. Reindeer. 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 What do you hear? Reindeer. The first sound when you say reindeer. Yes, I can hear you. You said it right. Very good. Stockings. 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 What is it? Correct. Elf. 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 What is the first sound in elf? Elf. Gift. 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 Very good. Lights. Lights. And say it slowly. Lights. Stretch the word lights. What do you hear? Lights. The first sound. Lights. Yes, it is. Ooh. Very good. Candle. 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 Carol. 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 What is the first sound? Carol. Right. Fireplace. Fireplace. What is the first sound in fireplace? Fireplace. Very good. Chimney. 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 What is the first sound in chimney? Chimney. Yes, you are right. Well done. Thanks for joining. See you soon. Merry Christmas.